And as we dig out from this latest winter storm, meteorologists are assessing its severity compared to previous snowstorms that have pounced our city.
Yeah, Marvin Scott has more from the newsroom.
Well, hey, Corey, this storm has certainly left its mark as one of the most significant snow and ice storms in recent years, but it doesn't exceed the largest historical snowstorms that we've seen in our area in the past 20 years. Well, Central Park measured under just a foot of snow. Other parts of our area got buried under as much as 17 inches of the white stuff. National Weather Service meteorologist Nelson Vaz doesn't think this one is as bad as previous storms, but he does feel it was rather unique.
What was unusual about this is not only the snow, but we also got 1 to 2 inches of sleet on top of that. So that's not something we see very often, maybe once every 15, 20 years.
It was just 10 years ago when the city got pounced by such a record-breaking snowstorm, it was dubbed Snowmageddon.
2016, that is the record snowfall for New York City, where we saw over 27 inches from that storm.
Another Snowmageddon buried the city under mounds of snow in 2010.
That was a true blizzard. We saw over 20 inches in New York City, but I think the winds were really notable with that.
And while most of us got hunkered down during the pandemic 5 years ago, the city got pelted again with a fierce winter storm.
The 2021 blizzard, we had around 17 inches of snow in New York City, so it was more snow than we saw with this storm. The other thing that made 2021 storm interesting, we saw a lot of coastal flooding.
Bringing the past to the present, the National Weather Service meteorologist feels things could have been worse.
We could have gotten more snow if it didn't change over to sleet, but the sleet brings its own challenges, and 8 to 12 inches of snow in New York City, that's going to be problematic.
Problematic indeed. But when you think about other storms in years past, including the blizzard of 2006, that one had us digging out from 25 inches of snow, and as bad as that was, just think of it. This one could have been a lot worse. In the newsroom, I'm Marvin Scott. Back to you.
All right, Marvin, thank you.